Welcome in local criminal defense attorney and News Channel 5 legal analyst Michelle Suskauer to break down this case. Big day of testimony, Michelle, today. We had 5 witnesses on the stand, specifically concentrated around the Players Club Bar and Restaurant. We had the bartender from there, the GM from there, the valet. We also had a polo player, and we had a horse manager of Goodman's. How did the defense and how did the prosecution stack up in terms of what did they get out of each of these witnesses today?
You know, I think the state wanted to portray John Goodman as someone who just was drinking nonstop, was completely sloppy, out of control, fell in the bar, got in his car, and recklessly caused this accident. And I don't think they got what they wanted today. I think there were witnesses. They did get a couple of little things. Certainly that John Goodman was part of a party of folks who were drinking, but they did get the bartender to say that, you know what, I saw him drink just 3 drinks. They did bring out some bias of these folks because a lot of them, they know him or they work for him, they're paid by him. He tips them, and he tips them handsomely. But I think that the defense got more out of them, that John Goodman did not leave stumbling over himself, that he did not look or act intoxicated that night.
Alcohol played a major role in testimony today.
It did.
Not just in how much John Goodman drank, but the volume of alcohol being served in these drinks. And you specifically said that bartender was a crucial
Oh, absolutely. I think the bartender it was very interesting. Actually, what we learned today, which I didn't know, is that this bartender was actually subpoenaed to come to the state attorney's office and do a pour. There was a question of is a pour an ounce? How many ounces did John Goodman drink? And what she ended up testifying is that John Goodman only drank what she believes to be 3.5 ounces of alcohol that night, which is certainly not enough to put him twice over the legal limit.
Powerful testimony today, Michelle Suskauer. Thank you very much, Michelle. A lot more to